Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, where we delve into the fascinating world of natural science. Today, we're going to explore one of the most intriguing creatures in the insect kingdom, the leafcutter ant. These incredible ants are found in the tropical regions of Central and South America, and they play a vital role in their ecosystems. To start, let's define what leafcutter ants are. These ants are part of the genus Atta, which includes over 40 species of ants that are known for their unique behavior of cutting pieces of leaves and carrying them back to their colonies. But why do they do this? It's not because they're hungry for leaves. Instead, they use the leaves to cultivate a special type of fungus that serves as their primary food source. The evolutionary history of leafcutter ants dates back millions of years, with fossil records showing that these ants have remained largely unchanged since the Miocene epoch. The first scientific documentation of leafcutter ants was made by the Swedish botanist and zoologist Carolus Linnaeus in the 18th century. Since then, numerous researchers have studied these fascinating creatures, including the renowned entomologist E.O. Wilson, who has dedicated a significant portion of his career to studying the social behavior of ants. From a scientific perspective, leafcutter ants are classified as eusocial insects, meaning that they live in complex societies with distinct castes and division of labor. There are 4 main castes within a leafcutter ant colony: workers, soldiers, males, and queens. Workers are responsible for foraging, caring for young, and maintaining the colony's infrastructure, while soldiers are larger and stronger, with enlarged heads and mandibles that help them defend the colony from predators. One of the most fascinating aspects of leafcutter ants is their agricultural behavior. These ants are essentially farmers, cultivating their own food source through a complex process of cutting, transporting, and processing leaves. They use specialized tools, such as their sharp mandibles and powerful jaws, to cut pieces of leaves into manageable sizes, which are then carried back to the colony using a network of trails and chemical signals. Research has shown that leafcutter ants have a highly developed social immune system, which allows them to maintain a healthy fungal garden by recognizing and removing diseased or contaminated areas. This is achieved through a combination of chemical signals and physical interactions between individual ants. For example, when an ant encounters a diseased area of the fungus, it will release a specific chemical signal that alerts other ants to avoid that area. In terms of ecological relationships, leafcutter ants play a crucial role in their ecosystems as both herbivores and seed dispersers. By cutting and transporting leaves, they help to regulate the growth of vegetation, creating pathways for other animals to follow and maintaining the diversity of plant species. They also contribute to seed dispersal by accidentally carrying seeds on their bodies or through their feces. Unfortunately, leafcutter ants are facing numerous threats in the wild, including habitat loss and fragmentation, pesticide use, and climate change. As forests are cleared for agriculture, urbanization, and other human activities, ant colonies are left isolated and vulnerable to extinction. Pesticide use can decimate ant colonies, disrupting the delicate balance of ecosystems and having cascading effects on other species. Despite these challenges, leafcutter ants continue to thrive in many parts of their range, with some species exhibiting remarkable adaptability in response to changing environmental conditions. For example, researchers have found that certain species of leafcutter ants are able to adjust their foraging behavior and fungal cultivation strategies in response to changes in temperature and precipitation patterns. As we conclude our journey into the world of leafcutter ants, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking question. What can we learn from these incredible creatures about cooperation, adaptability, and resilience? As we face our own environmental challenges, perhaps we can draw inspiration from the leafcutter ants' remarkable ability to work together and thrive in even the most challenging conditions. In fact, researchers are currently exploring the potential of using fungus-growing ants as a model for sustainable food production, with the goal of developing more efficient and environmentally friendly methods for growing crops. By studying the complex social behavior and agricultural practices of leafcutter ants, we may uncover new insights into how to maintain healthy ecosystems and promote biodiversity. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.